Mom,
What?
you're distracting Lily.
Well, I'm sorry.
Oh, wait.
I'm doing something for your sister.
I'll take this away. Oh, she's vicious. Oh, she wants her toy bad. Oh, shit.
Do you
Oh,
notice how
God
she?
damn.
Do you notice how she humps the air when she's done?
Yes, I know. Oh, I'm taking toy away. What are you gonna do? Oh.
Bring up the library and I'm checking it.
I got that on camera too. Oh.
I'm good at getting her riled up.
This dog is so horny.
I don't think she knows any better. What do you think?
I think she's horny and is lonely as hell.
Lonely?
Yeah.
That she's the only chihuahua of her kind here in the house besides Poppy?
Poppy's not in the house.
I know, but...
Look at her, but I thought only boy dogs humped.
Me too.
This is pretty wrong.
She doesn't even
Wait.
have a...
Shh.
She looks like she's doing it forcefully.
Okay, that's it. Don't talk to the camera.
Sorry.
They can't see your face, so it's good.
Why?
Just because you don't want to be on YouTube. Girl dot. We're gonna call it girl. Wait, no, I'm not telling you guys. Okay. Okay, the video's